This morning, I was talking to somebody. Of course, as big sister, I always have an opportunity to talk to someone, to listen to somebody, get to know what they think about this themselves and what they think of their future. And he opened up with me saying that if he knew earlier, he would have already done this program. I'm talking about specialty barista course that we're training here in Dubai, Al-Baraha. And I was like, why did you have to say such a statement? He said he's been working with a colleague whom he has taken time, like now 6 months without seeing. And he only got to understand that this individual resigned and is now working as a barista. Oh, it's painful, but anyway, I have to smile about it. So this is the story. When he got to know that this individual is already a barista now and is earning a given amount of money, of course, far much better off than what he was earning in that company where this other one is working, he felt like he is cheated himself. He is taking so much long a time to make a decision to move from where he is to another level. Now, I felt it wise to also come and talk to you, my community, or our community at GX Barista Training Institute. All expatriates. I'm talking to every nationality. You're here in the UAE, and of course, all of us are adults. You have dreams that are running in you. You have goals to meet on a daily or on a monthly, a yearly basis. You have milestones you've set that by age 30, by age 40, I should have done this ABC or achieved XYZ. Now you are at age 30 and nothing you've achieved yet. And when you go to 35 or 40, you will still postpone what you should have done earlier on. You're still, anticipating for it. It's not yet in the reality. The call is for you. If you get to realize that there is something you're supposed to do, so to move from that level where you are to another that is quite higher, I'm encouraging you to always make that decision once and for all and move on. Most of the times, we procrastinate. You get an idea in you, and then all of a sudden, you get other programs that come to sway you off the idea. You even put up a plan that I'm going to do this and this and this so I can achieve the other goal. And then, so painfully, get swayed off your track. Before you know it all, you've spent all the time and you've achieved nothing. I'm calling on you and encouraging you never to procrastinate. Practice working on your dreams or your plans the moment they land into your brains or your minds. Yeah? This is what I encourage you to do. Everyone we see in life that has achieved a goal or two, they chose to do so much to achieve that goal. Nothing just happens by way of luck. No. Most of the things happen because you've positioned yourself right, or you've chosen to do the right thing in the right time. So now, going back to my community, people that are expatriates here in the diaspora, to be specific, UAE. You're earning 2,000 dirham and less of salary. You well know that you've spent 2 years of your contract earning that much. They've never failed to give you a salary on a monthly. But when you check through what you've done with the salary, there is no record. You even sit down and say, the money I'm earning, where does it go? You have nothing to show, even to yourself. Okay, now, if even you cannot show yourself what you've earned from your salary, what will you tell your children? For the so many years you've been away from them, you that have children. What will you tell your next life, like now you're 30 and then you'll be 40 or 50 or 60, that in that time when I was a youth with a lot of energy, with a lot of life in me, what did I do? What did I achieve? I encourage you to think about it. If there's anything you can do to improve your finance from that 1,000, that 800 dirham, that 1,500, or even 2,000 dirham, so you can get higher a salary, please do it. Here at Jex, we welcome people. Yes, regardless your nationality or your status, we encourage you to come and do such courses, short courses like a specialty barista course or a roasters course. So the moment you get the skills, you can introduce yourself into another job. That is it. Success stories are running on our social media handles and all about telling you or showing you how people that were earning less, far less, like 800 dirham, are today earning a 4,000 dirham. It's like they're living their dream. I would love to see all of us as expatriates, whether from Africa, from Asia, from Europe, but as long as we left our home countries and we are here to improve ourselves by way of getting finance, I would love to see us move from the starting round, that starting salary, to another salary. If you're there and what the message I'm passing on to you is good, please listen, and after listening, rise up, and when you rise up, start working. That's the message I have for you. I remain Big Sister here in the diaspora.